everybody. We're going to the workshop, and I'm just doing an introduction. So we're going to the workshop and building a bin speaker. So it's a bin, what looks like a speaker. We're just driving there right now. Dad's bringing the white car. We're going in our grandma's old car. I mean, an old car because she's had this for a while. So look. Yes. So we're not driving the big truck today. We're just driving the little cars.
What do we call the little car, Saph?
We call the little car the. What do we call it again?
What do we call it, Oddie?
So, if you wonder where the little girl is, Ida, she's in the white car right in front of us. We had to film with this camera because we had to film with this GoPro because this one went flat. Look. So, that's what we're doing today. So, we're at the workshop now, and we're gonna build the bin speaker.
The what speaker?
The bin speaker. So we're using this blue bin and making it into a stereo. Everyone's here. Ida, Otti, Mom, and Dad.
We're going to make a bin speaker because a couple of weeks ago I had the boys out doing some welding and I didn't unplug the stereo that I had in here.
And it broke.
Before they started, and we plugged it in the same circuit, and now my radio's screwed. So, bin speaker it is.
Yes, it is.
So what we're going to do, this is completely ridiculous. What we're going to do is we are going to put some sound deadening in it first because we're, professionals, and that's what you do.
Mm-hmm.
And and then we're going to cut holes all through it and put a stereo in it. So hang in there, we'll take you along.
Get up there.
Yeah. I want to come.
You want to come too?
It's too scary.
Yeah, you just stay there.
Ida, can you get down, please? I'm coming down.
You need to get the other one up there too.
What?
Is it
Where?
up there, Mum?
No.
The other one?
I'll show you where the other one is.
It's not up there.
No. Gotcha. Okay, foot down. You okay now?
Yeah, I'm okay. OMG, that was amazing! I can't believe I did that. Whoa!
There's some more speakers.
What does it say?
This one.
Pause, please. Thank you. Sneaky!
Because obviously it's a bin speaker, so we've got some old speakers that are laying around the workshop from jobs we haven't done or stuff like that.
Oh, put down in all the gear.
But the
Can you show all the people our stuff, mate? We need to know what's going on.
This is an amp what we're going to put in the bin,
Yeah?
and we're going to attach it to do the music, a head unit. We can control the music, so we can connect it to the phone, and the speakers.
Yes?
One speaker, two speakers,
And then what's the big one? Do you know what that one's called?
No.
That's for the doof.
Doof.
The doof.
The subwoofer.
The subwoofer.
Do you remember in Daddy's white truck how he used to have a big one on the back seat?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what would he do when the car seats weren't in the car? Do you remember?
Put the music on?
Yeah. So there'd be no car seats, but there'd be a big subwoofer instead.
Oh!
What are you two doing?
But I'm just going to close you up. I'm going to do that. Guys, take the back thing off.
Sound editing has begun. Sapphy's in there doing his thing. Say hi, Saph.
Hi.
We are sound editing a wheelie bin. This is going to make this sound so much better. Like, check this lid out. Boom! Feel the weight in that bad boy. Ha! Primo. Alright, so Sapphy, we're at stereo time, so we're going to mark out all our holes and stuff for where we want to put the head unit and the sub, and then we're going to put a bunch of holes in it and fill them up again with all our parts, and then we'll wire it up. It should be pretty easy, so let's do it. The wheelie bin, what do we call it? The wheelie bin speaker or something?
The wheelie bin speaker, Dad.
The wheelie bin speaker is finished, done, and it's going, as you just heard. So, yay for us. Fun little weekend project, hey Amy.
Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Turn on your notifications.
Don't want to be like catch you later dudes or like, something like that.
See you guys in a different episode of BAW Automotive. Bye.